Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make Roblox doors easily. So firstly, open up Roblox Studios. From here, head to My Game section, then head into the game you want to add doors into. I'll head into this test game and wait for the game to load. Now let the game load properly. After the game loads, head to the toolbox section and under models tab, search for door. Now here you will see lot of door models which you can add into your game. I'll just firstly input a simple E to open door. Click OK. Now this door has been added to your game and you can add this door into any of your structure that you're creating or anywhere. So if I demo this door real quick, I'll start up the game. Now the game has loaded, and in order to interact with this door, I'll have to press the E button on my keyboard. So if I press E, this door will open, and if I press E again, this door will close. I can also interact with the various features in this door by just going into the script menu. If we open the script, we will see that we can change a lot of functionalities of the door as well as the door frame, also the base. You can also change the sound of the opening of the door by changing the asset ID in here. We can also add a coded door into our game which requires code to open. So for instance, I've added this code door in my Roblox game. In order to find the code, you will head into the workspace file, then into the keypad section, then the master script. From here you'll see that the code is 2323, which we can change to anything that we want. So if I head into this game, click on play button, you will see that if I click on 2323 on this door and then press open, the door will open instantly. So this is how you can easily add doors into your Roblox game in Roblox Studio. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.